How to remove a Snapchat filter from photo. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can remove any filters from your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. To do that, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. Then make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap onto the gallery icon on your bottom left. It will open up your camera section. Tap on any photo that you would like to edit. Now expand the arrow option on your top right. As you do so, it will turn into editing mode. Here you can swipe the filters, and in case your photo has any filters, then you can just swipe to your left and right and it will turn into its original form just like this. Now to save this, tap on export on your bottom left, scroll to your left and tap on download. And once the snap has been downloaded, you will be able to see this image on its original form on your gallery section. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.